Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can install APKs in your Windows without emulator. So before doing that, you have to enable two things in your computer. The first thing is virtualization. So for checking that, just simply go to your task manager, by right click on your taskbar, then task manager. Now just simply go to your performance. Now over there you will find virtualization and see whether it is enabled or not, and if it is disabled, just simply enable it from your BIOS. Now after this, the next setting that you have to enable is virtual machine platform. So for enabling that option, just simply go to your start menu, just simply search for turn Windows features on off, which you can see over here. Just simply search that, then open it. Now over here you will find virtual machine platform over here. As you can see, it is enabled, so just simply click on the checkbox and hit OK. Then it will ask you to restart your computer, so just simply hit OK and restart your computer. Now after the restart, the next thing that you have to do is just simply go to your Microsoft Store, and over here just simply search for Windows Subsystem for Android. Now after searching Windows Subsystem for Android, if you are able to download the application, just simply download it and install it. And for some reason, if you are unable to download the application, just like me, what you can do is just simply remove this and search for Amazon App Store. Then just simply open Amazon App Store. Now after that, just simply hit on install, and the reason we are installing this application is because when we will install this application, it will automatically also install the Windows Subsystem for Android app. So just simply hit install, and now it will give a pop-up window, and over here just simply click on download for Windows Subsystem. So just simply click on download. Now after the download, it will ask you to restart your computer, so just simply restart it. Now after the restart, Amazon App Store should pop up. So just simply close the application from over here. Now open your start menu and you will find over there Windows Subsystem for Android. So just simply open that application. Now just simply go to the developers tab at the top left corner. Then enable the developer mode. Then click on allow. Then click on allow. Then after that, just simply go to manage developer settings and make sure it is enabled over here as well. After checking it is on or not, just simply close it. Then again close the developer window as well. Now go to the link given to the description box below. It will bring you to the GitHub website. Now over here what you have to do is just simply click on WSA Pacman version. It might be different for you. So for me it is 1.4.0. So just simply click over here. Now scroll down and wait for the assets to load in. Just simply click on Pacman installer.exe and install and download the installer. Then start the download. Then simply open the application and double click on the installer. Now it will ask you to choose a location where you want to install the application. So just simply choose a location. Then hit OK. Then hit next. Then again next. And again next. And finally just simply hit install. So after the installation process is complete, just simply hit finish. Now after that, I'm going to show you by installing a APK for Spotify. So let me go to that particular location. You can also see the Pacman is also shown in the startup menu over here. Now let me go to the location. So as you can see, I already have a Spotify APK downloaded. So just simply double click on it. Then choose WSA Package Manager. Then choose always or just once, whichever you want. Then a new type of pop-up window should appear. So just simply find it and open it. Then hit allow. Then again a pop-up window will appear. and over here just simply press install. Now wait for the installation process to complete. And after the installation process is complete, you can just simply click on create desktop shortcut if you want to, or if you don't want a shortcut, then simply click on open app. And just like that, the application is on. You might not probably see anything right now on the screen because it is not allowed in Spotify to show the screen while recording. So it will be a black screen for all of you, but I can easily log in and use Spotify as any normal app in Windows. So I'll just simply close the application for now. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.